In this video, you will discover the 6 secret signs that women give when they are feeling highly attracted to you. These are often subtle signals that they give unconsciously, without even realizing it. With the knowledge you'll gain from this video, you'll always be one step ahead of her, knowing her real intentions. From hair touching to prolonged eye contact and constant smiling, you'll learn to identify the signs that show she's interested in you. And if you're having trouble identifying when a woman is interested, I've included a resource in the video description that I consider a powerful tool for seducing women. You'll not only learn how to identify the signs of interest, but you'll also discover how to keep her interested in you without pushing her away. Welcome to my channel, where you'll discover a world of captivating content that will leave you wanting more. Join me for this video on the 6 secret signs of attraction that women give. If you're tired of feeling unsure about whether a woman is interested in you or not, then you've come to the right place. By the end of this video, you'll have the knowledge you need to know when a woman is attracted to you, even if she's not saying it out loud. The first sign of attraction is hair touching. Hair is something that women take great care of, and it's often a symbol of femininity and attractiveness. If she's constantly running her fingers through her hair or twirling it around her fingers while talking to you, it's a good sign that she's interested in you. Pay attention to how she touches her hair. If she's playing with it nervously, it may be a sign of discomfort rather than attraction. The second sign is prolonged eye contact. If she's constantly looking into your eyes and holding eye contact, it's a good indication that she's attracted to you. Eye contact is a powerful tool for communication, and it can convey a lot of information without saying a word. If she's shy, she may look away quickly when you catch her eye, but if she's confident, she may hold your gaze for longer. The third sign is smiling. If she's smiling a lot while talking to you, even if what you're saying isn't particularly funny, it's a good sign that she's interested in you. Pay attention to her body language as well. If she's facing you with an open posture and leaning towards you, it's a clear indication that she's attracted to you. The fourth sign is touching. If she's smiling a lot while talking to you, even if what you're saying isn't particularly funny, it's a good sign that she's interested in you. Physical contact is a powerful way to create intimacy and can be a sign that she's interested in taking things to the next level. The fifth sign is not pulling away when you get closer to her. If you're standing close to her and she's not moving away, it's a good sign that she's comfortable being close to you. If she's attracted to you, she may even move closer to you to create more physical contact. The sixth sign is initiating conversation. If she's finding excuses to talk to you, even if it's just small talk, it's a good indication that she's interested in you. So there you have it, 6 secret signs of attraction that women give. Of course, these signs aren't foolproof, and it's always important to communicate openly and honestly with the person you're interested in. But if you notice these signs, it's likely that she's into you. So go out there and use this knowledge to your advantage. If you enjoyed learning about these 6 secret signs of attraction that women give, then be sure to check out more videos on our channel. We have a wide range of content that covers everything from dating advice to relationship tips. By subscribing to our channel, you'll never miss out on new videos that can help you understand the complexities of human relationships. So, what are you waiting for? Click that subscribe button and join our community of relationship experts today. Thanks for watching.